Hi, today I'll show you how to add your LinkedIn profile and page to Social Web Suite. The first thing you have to do is log into your Social Web Suite account. Once logged in, click on the Social Profiles, and then to add a social profile. There, you can choose which social profile you want to add. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your LinkedIn profile and page, but you can add your profiles here from other social networks too. Now, click on Add a LinkedIn Profile button. And if you're already logged into LinkedIn, it will ask you to give the authorization to Social Web Suite. If you're not logged into your LinkedIn account, the new window will pop up and ask you to log into your account. Please log in and allow Social Web Suite to access and add your LinkedIn account. Now just click on the Add a LinkedIn Page button and choose which page you want to connect to Social Web Suite. That was it! You've successfully added your LinkedIn profile page and connected it to Social Web Suite. Like and follow Social Web Suite LinkedIn page to be the first to know when we release new features and run promotions and contests. I hope you've liked my video and that it was helpful. But if you have any questions regarding Social Web Suite, feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you for listening, and bye for now!